Hey watch people, this is Hector with Winding Crowns, and today we have an unboxing. The address is on the other side, so we're going to open it off camera real quick. But first, roll the intro.
Hello watch people, my name is Hector and welcome to Winding Crowns.
And we're back, guys. I am wearing the Steel Dive Captain Willard homage watch, as they say. Really nice. Anyway, let's get this open, guys. All right. Get this open. Looks like it's a Mido. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit under the weather still. You can hear it in my voice. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Mido, nice big box. Swiss watch since there's a Mido since 1918. Mido. Guess I'll take it out of here. But maybe I should have left it. Who knows? Looks like there's a booklet. Warranty card. Alright guys, let's get this out the way. It says Mido on the lid, inside of the lid. There it is, guys. It's got the extra strap. Here is the signed tang buckle. See if I can focus on this. There's your 21 millimeter lug width. It's got the quick release, as you can see. Signed Mido on both straps. Very nice. It's got one keeper's sewn in and one is a floater. Very cool. I like the buckle. And there is the pillow. Looks like some extra links. Hang tag. It's got the reference number and the serial number. And there is the watch, guys. There it is. The Mido Ocean Star Tribute. Very cool. Very cool, guys. Here's your deploy clasp. Very cool. Anyway, guys, this is just a quick unboxing. More to come on this watch. If you enjoy this type of content, then please like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified of the next video. Hit the like button, guys. It's important to hit the like button. It really does help. And leave comments. I enjoy your comments, so please leave comments down below, guys. And remember, never stop winding crowns.